What's good? Welcome back to another video, and today's video is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna actually give y'all the first campaign that made me $20,000 when I first started off in CPA. And I only been doing this for a year, so I did this my first month in CPA, which is last August of 2018. But I'm gonna give you full details on the landing page that I built, the ad copy I used, the people I targeted, all that. You get all that right here. So we're just gonna start off quick. So this is, like I said, it's an old ad account, and as you see, ain't none of them active. This is before Facebook did all the update and all the changes, but ended up losing like all these over time, but it was fine. But oh yeah, also don't mind my headphones, bro. I couldn't find my other ones, so that's all I had, so just deal with this. All right, but as you see on this one, I spent almost close to $4 grand on this ad account. And let's just look at some of the data. You see the views. I almost reached a million people. But look how much I was paying per result. 1 cent per view. Come on. It's crazy, right? See how much I spent again just on that campaign. But look at all the link clicks I was getting. Over 34,000 link clicks, and I was only paying 9 cents a click. That's crazy, because on the back end I was getting probably like 31-25 cents a click, which I got some of the results right here on some of these offers. Now this is the new Cash Network, so I don't have all my old data to show you from this offer, which I guess they still working on when they transfer all that stuff over to the new one. But this is just a glimpse of like when I was running it. The Mac offer right here, 3,000. The other one, Sephora one, 900, and just testing these out. But I'll probably do another video whenever I get that data back to show you how I was able to make 20,000 off that one makeup offer that I ran from August all the way to December, like that one offer. And I might drop another video because another offer that I made 10 grand off of. I might drop that one too, might wait, but we're gonna stay on this makeup. But that's just some of the proof. Like I said, once they transfer everything, I can finally give you like the full data. But let's just get back over here to Facebook. As you see, over 34,000 cool click-through rate. It was decent, could have been higher, but over 1 million something impressions. And like I said, this is just off this one ad account. I'm also show you, like I said, I'm gonna give you the targeting that I use. Also in this campaign, I did video views, as you see, objective video views, and I was only paying 1 cent per view. And I had it set on 200 a day. And this is the targeting that I had used. So you can screenshot that, pause the video if you want to use this. If you can find this offer in one of your networks, go for it. Right there. Edit placement. Now when I first started CPA, I just had it on Facebook. But like all the stuff I know now, I would have my pics on there. But I did get a 50K email list from doing this offer, but at the time I didn't know what to do with it. So yeah, I know. But if I was to run this again, all the stuff I know now, I would put it on newsfeed only. And then if I was gonna run on Instagram, I'd make a different campaign and only run it on Instagram ads. And then I put that pixel, like I said, let that pixel build up, and then I would have took that pixel data and took that data and made a traffic campaign and did retargeting that way to try to get those clicks even lower, which they was already cheap. And this is the ad I was using. This is my landing page that I made for this offer. As you see, I got over 27 likes today. I'm gonna make a video on that too, how to get a bunch of likes to your pages for super cheap. This is the ad that I used. I did a dark post, so that's why you don't see like all the results on it, which I think I deleted it, the original video, out of the ad manager here, because I don't think it's still there. Let me check and see. Yeah, I deleted it. I don't know. I think I deleted it because when this stuff first started happening to me, I didn't know how to. So I was like, okay, let me delete it. Maybe that'll help. But Anyway, you saw the results, it's still there. But if you go to Facebook, type in Ready Set Beauty, you will see my landing page. You will see the video I use. If you want to use that video, all you do is copy this right here, hit show video URL, copy that, then go to Google, type in download Facebook video. Boom, you could download it. You can use that for ad copy for yourself. Then this website might still be up. I don't think it is though. Yeah, this one ain't. I ended up changing the name on it. But this is the landing page that I built for it. It's super simple. And now I use ClickFunnels a lot, and I use Wix every now and then, just because I already got like pre websites built on there already. I've been done, but it was simple. Just a little picture, little call to action, sign up button, put a video that I got from YouTube, edit it up, put it right there, sign up again, did how it works, typed all that in, test. And like now, a lot of this is extra. You didn't have to do none of this. You really could have stopped right here. You could have literally just made this and stop and didn't have to make none of that. But for me, I like to get my landing page, you know, just a couple more stuff on there, have it convert a little higher, and that's how I look on mobile, which now that's why I run majority of my traffic to now is mobile. Really don't do too much on desktop. But yeah, that's nice little clean landing page, converted well. So that's the landing page. Again, you can pause this video if you want to copy it, because I know a lot of people just gonna copy it, which is fine. Boom. Now I know they got this offer in Max Bounty, AdWorks and Media, if I'm not mistaken. Got a couple makeup offers, Prettyfly, but they about to shut, if they haven't already shut down. I'm pretty sure, like, if you go to Offer Vault and just type in makeup, you'll find plenty of different networks that got makeup offers, or the network that you might be in. If you do CPA, you know, they might have it. But that's that. And I think it was one more thing I wanted to show, so make sure I cover. So we got to go back to Facebook ad, and like I say again, that's just one ad account. Because if I go here, I ran it again. It's not the only ad account I ran it on. So I spent another $1,000 or something over here, and let's hit results. Bam, yeah, like still getting that 1 cent a click because the video high engaging. Let's see how much. 9 cent, 13 cent a click, and the click through rate wasn't even high, but like I was still making a killing from it. Easy. Like I said, all I did is set up this ad. I want some ad to set up. Like, that's it. Only thing you're doing after that is just checking your phone, make sure your ad's still going, that you're getting a bunch of clicks to the offer. Like I said, you're just gonna watch the money add up. But yeah, again, that's the landing page. I mean, not the landing page, but the fan page on Facebook. If you want to copy that, go to it. You can check it out. Boop, and then put that back on wide. Here's the landing page, website, funnel, whatever you want to call it, that I built for it using Wix. Now, in the beginning, I was using the free Wix. So there's one thing about Wix too. You don't have to pay for it. And then ClickFunnels give you 14 days. So you could do either one. You can use your 14. It didn't work out. Go create another email, use another 14. It's a free game on that too. But you could use you could build a bunch of websites on Wix for free. Literally for free. You don't have to pay nothing. And Bond Thing didn't really have like a little Wix banner at the top, but it still converts well just like that. And as you go along with your money, you could take it off and you could pay for the monthly, which I think to host a website is like $14. Now picture that you hosting a website for $14 and you're making thousands every month from it, just from a simple website. So yeah, that's just some of the results. And again, simple. Go back to the other landing. So ad accounts, like I said, there's just the results again, and it's just one ad account. I might, if I remember, think I got some results on this one too, because I had multiple ad accounts. I lost all that once I started understanding the game mode, how Facebook worked. Let me see. So on this honest bit, yeah, since 600 over here. But again, pretty sure I was getting the same type of results. Clicks. Yeah, even cheaper clicks. 6 cents per click. Got over 4,000 some clicks to this offer. Now this one I might can show you, because I don't know if I deleted out this one. This one might still be up. I know this video getting a little lengthy. I'm gonna try to speed it up for y'all. Okay, there it is. And that's how I had it. It was that. It was just like, do you love makeup? Check this out. Makes a video. Boom. Then I had my link, some emojis. And that was it. And see, now this one, I didn't even spend that much. Over 200 some likes, comments, and shares. I picture the other one. I wish I still had it, where I spent over 3 grand, like 1,000,000 views. That one had like almost 60 some thousand likes, comments, and shares, all that. But yeah, but that is a free, basically done for you campaign that you could take, implement. You can copy, paste, word for word if you want to. That's totally on you. You can freestyle or just give you a blueprint on what to do. But make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment if you want to see other type of videos. What else? Yeah, just support it. Like, it don't take much to hit a button. Just hit subscribe real quick. But yeah, that's free. I show you results again. Show you my landing page, the ad copy I use, the targeting I use, all that. That was my first offer when I started CPA that I did 20K off of. So yeah, you might could take this, tweak it, and be your first $1,000,000 offer. You never know. But yeah, I'm out.